Good PM. Ngayon po ay Monday, March 23, 2026. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM draw result ng 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto, 2 PM draw result ngayong Monday, March 23, 2026. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM draw result ngayong March 23, 2026 Monday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero na lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. See you again later for 5 PM draw result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Monday, March 23, 2026. Here are the today's jackpot estimates of Mega Lotto 645 and Grand Lotto 655 for March 23, 2026, Monday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Monday, March 23, 2026. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.